Hey guys, welcome back. It's another what I eat in a day for 150 grams of protein with a little bit of fall coziness added into my recipes. I've already had my breakfast, I did my workout, had a snack, had lunch. So I am gonna go back and show you what I had earlier today, but I just wanted to mention, super important, if you guys are interested in any of the recipes or the macros, the protein, carbs, fats, and calories, I am creating a free document for you. It will be in the description box below. And some of the recipes aren't my own, so I will just link to the recipes that I personally used. And I also have one of my own recipes that I'm creating a recipe card for you if you want to try it. And if you find that helpful, would you hit the subscribe button and share some love back with me by hitting the like as well? And I have to show you my favorite family fall photo. Look at this. Love my family. Let's get cooking. Today's breakfast is a high-protein oatmeal made with apples and cinnamon, some of my favorite flavors of fall. I'm just chopping up some apples. I've already added my oats and my cinnamon and my water, and I'm just gonna simmer everything together so that the apples can soften. And I'm actually gonna be adding a whey protein powder into my oatmeal once it's cooked, with a little splash of almond milk just to loosen everything up and make sure everything is combined. This is a really easy way to get a lot of protein for breakfast if you're having oatmeal. I don't know about you, but I find oatmeal, I eat it and then I'm hungry in like half an hour. So by adding the protein powder, it just helps to make it a more substantial meal. I've also added a tablespoon of almond butter, some walnut pieces, and here I'm just putting a little bit of Greek yogurt on top and a drizzle of honey. And this is a little protein hack. If you're looking to get some extra protein in the morning, try adding collagen powder to your coffee. Doesn't taste like much, and it's just a really quick and easy way to add more protein into your breakfast. So now that I'm done my workout, I want to have a quick source of protein along with a carb. So I'm having 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese, and I'm going to be slicing up 1/4 of a banana and having a little dash of cinnamon with it. So today's lunch is everything that I envision when I think of a cozy fall meal. This is a roasted butternut squash soup. This recipe isn't my own recipe. I found it online, but I will link it in the description below if you want to try it, and it's also going to be on my free meal plan. I like this recipe because it was really easy to prepare. You basically just chop up all of the ingredients. You even add the spices, salt and pepper. Everything just goes onto a sheet pan together. You roast it in the oven for about an hour, and then you just add a little bit of broth, blend everything together, and you have your soup. Obviously, butternut squash soup does not have any protein, maybe a tiny little bit. So I wanted to have a side of some kind of protein. So I'm also going to be making an egg white frittata, and this was the perfect combo. Soup and frittata. It was delicious, and I can't say enough good things about this lunch. So while I'm roasting the veggies for the soup, I'm getting started on my frittata, and I chose to make an egg white frittata because I'm going to be having a little bit more fat in my dinner tonight, so I thought I would spare myself the extra calories at lunchtime and just indulge a little bit more for dinner. So the egg white frittata was surprisingly my favorite part of this meal. It turned out so good. I did follow a recipe online, but I decided to add some of my own flavors. And I also had some fresh thyme from my soup recipe that I wanted to use up. I hate buying things and only using a little bit for one recipe and just having it sit in my fridge forever and just go bad. So today I'm using up my thyme in multiple recipes. And now I'm just getting ready to blend everything up for my soup, and you might be wondering why I have an outfit change. I swear it is still the same day. I just had a quick shower while everything was roasting in the oven. Okay, it's finally ready. Have a look. Looks so yummy, and the frittata is ready. Everything looks so good. That was a little bit of a mission for a lunch, but I have my lunch ready now for the next few days, which is nice. I won't have to really think about lunch. So this is a great meal prep option. I don't recommend using the immersion blender for this recipe because it made a huge mess. Oh my goodness. More messes to clean up. My hair is really damaged. I'm so behind on eating lunch. It's 2 o'clock, I'm starving, so I'm gonna have lunch now, and then it's gonna be like dinner time soon, so I'll probably have to make a later dinner because I'm not gonna be that hungry. For dinner tonight, I'm making a sausage pasta, and this is a recipe that I created myself, and I will link the recipe card in the description below if you want to give it a try. So before I'm beginning, I'm just gathering all of my ingredients so that I am not searching for things as I am going. I like to keep everything in one place and within reach. And just a note about this recipe, if there's any ingredients that you don't have or you want to substitute, such as the pork sausage if you'd rather use a turkey-based sausage or even just ground turkey to make it a little bit leaner, that's totally fine. I was craving a little bit more of a comfort dish for dinner tonight, so I wanted it to be a little bit of a creamier pasta with a touch of nutmeg because obviously nutmeg is such a wonderful fall flavor and it goes really well in pasta dishes. Just be careful you don't add too much. So while the noodles are cooking, I've just put my sausage into the pan along with my garlic and onions and again, some fresh thyme. And I also have some chicken broth, a little bit of white wine, and cherry tomatoes. And I'm adding some navy beans as well, a little bit of salt and pepper, a dash of nutmeg, and a little bit of spicy chili flakes, along with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And this just helps everything to be creamier. And I wanted to add a little bit of heavy cream. You could opt out of using cream or just add a little bit of half and half. You do what you want to do, but I was craving this creamy, delicious pasta for dinner tonight, and boy, it did not disappoint. So my husband Thomas is away this week and I am solo parenting, which is fine. I am more of an introvert, so I actually don't mind the evenings where I am just by myself. I can make myself a nice snack, and tonight it's a charcuterie plate, and I really like being able to pick whatever show I want to pick on Netflix without having to agree on something with my husband because we have total opposite tastes. So if you have any good show recommendations, would you leave me a comment below and let me know, because I need to find a new girly show to watch. Anyways, I'm so glad that you guys came today. Would you please hit the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Bye for now.